Welcome to the channel. Did you know you can make money by flipping digital assets like websites, domains, and NFTs? Just like real estate, digital properties can appreciate in value if you know what to look for. In this video, I'll break down how to buy, sell, and profit from these online investments. So hit that like button and let's get started. Flipping digital assets has become a lucrative online business, allowing investors to buy and sell websites, domains, and NFTs for profit. As the digital economy grows, the demand for virtual properties continues to rise, making asset flipping an attractive investment strategy. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, understanding the fundamentals of digital asset flipping can help you maximize returns and build a profitable portfolio. 10. The future of digital asset flipping. The digital asset market is constantly evolving, with emerging trends shaping new opportunities. The rise of Web3, decentralized finance, DeFi, and AI-powered marketplaces is making it easier for investors to trade digital properties. As blockchain technology advances, digital asset ownership will become more secure, transparent, and scalable. Staying informed about technological developments and market trends will be key to long-term success in digital asset flipping. 9. Diversifying your digital asset portfolio. Successful digital asset investors diversify their holdings to reduce risk and maximize profitability. Instead of focusing solely on websites or NFTs, a balanced portfolio may include premium domain names, revenue-generating websites, and rare digital collectibles. Diversification helps protect against market fluctuations and increases the chances of high returns. Investors should research and strategically allocate funds across multiple digital asset categories. 8. Finding profitable websites to flip. Website flipping involves buying underperforming websites, improving their content, SEO, and monetization strategies, and selling them at a higher price. Platforms like Flippa, Empire Flippers, and Motion Invest facilitate website trading. To maximize profits, buyers should focus on websites with established traffic, revenue potential, and scalable business models. Optimizing ad placements, affiliate marketing, and e-commerce integrations can significantly increase a website's value before resale. 7. Buying and selling domain names for profit. Domain flipping is the process of acquiring undervalued domain names and selling them for a profit. Premium domains with short, memorable names and strong keywords often command higher resale values. Investors can find profitable domain names through platforms like GoDaddy Auctions, Sedo, and Namecheap Marketplace. Understanding domain valuation factors such as search volume, branding potential, and keyword relevance can help investors make informed buying decisions. 6. Flipping NFTs. The digital collectibles market. NFT flipping has gained immense popularity, with digital collectibles selling for millions of dollars. Investors buy NFTs from marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, and SuperRare, holding them for price appreciation or reselling them at a higher value. Successful NFT flippers research projects, assess community engagement, and identify upcoming trends to make profitable trades. Limited edition NFTs, collaborations with popular artists, and blockchain utility add value to digital collectibles. 5. Understanding digital asset valuation. Accurately valuing digital assets is crucial for profitable flipping. Websites are often valued based on traffic, revenue, domain authority, and monetization methods. Domain names derive value from keyword relevance, length, and branding potential. NFT valuations depend on rarity, creator reputation, and market demand. Investors should use valuation tools like Estabot for domains, Google Analytics for websites, and Rarity tools for NFTs to assess asset worth before buying or selling. 4. Marketing and selling your digital assets. Successfully flipping digital assets requires effective marketing and sales strategies. For websites, creating professional listings with detailed analytics, revenue breakdowns, and growth potential can attract buyers. Domain sellers can leverage marketplaces, SEO tactics, and outbound sales to reach potential investors. NFT flippers can engage in community building, social media promotions, and collaborations to increase demand for their assets. Proper marketing enhances visibility and boosts resale values. 3. Avoiding scams and market risks. The digital asset market has its share of risks, including fraud, volatile prices, and misleading listings. Investors should conduct thorough due diligence before making purchases, verifying ownership, transaction history, and authenticity. Platforms with escrow services and buyer protection, such as escrow.com for domain transactions and Flippa's verification process, provide added security. Staying updated on industry trends and avoiding speculative bubbles helps mitigate risks in asset flipping. 2. Using automation and AI for digital asset flipping. AI and automation tools can streamline digital asset flipping by analyzing market trends, identifying undervalued properties, and predicting price movements. AI-powered platforms like Jasper.ai for content creation, SEMrush for SEO analysis, and AI-driven NFT rarity checkers can help investors make data-driven decisions. Domain names derive value from keyword relevance, length, and branding potential. As technology and market trends evolve, those who stay ahead of the curve will have the greatest potential for long-term financial success. Automation tools assist in managing multiple assets, tracking performance, and optimizing marketing efforts, allowing investors to scale their flipping business more efficiently. 1. Building a long-term digital investment strategy. Flipping digital assets can be highly profitable, but long-term success requires strategic planning. Investors should focus on sustainable growth by reinvesting profits, staying informed about market shifts, and adapting to emerging trends. Establishing a reputation as a trustworthy seller, networking with industry professionals, and continuously improving investment skills can lead to a thriving digital asset flipping business. Conclusion: flipping websites, domains, and NFTs offers lucrative opportunities in the growing digital economy. By understanding valuation, leveraging marketing strategies, mitigating risks, and using automation tools, investors can build a profitable digital asset portfolio. Diversification helps protect against market fluctuations and increases the chances of high returns. Investors should research and strategically allocate funds across multiple digital asset categories. As technology and market trends evolve, those who stay ahead of the curve will have the greatest potential for long-term financial success. And that's your guide to flipping digital assets. Whether you're into websites, domains, or NFTs, the key is to research, invest wisely, and know when to sell. Which digital asset are you most interested in flipping? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more online money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.